Morning everybody, welcome. It's our 11th production auction. The cattle look fantastic. The day is set to be fantastic. The input from all the sponsors is amazing. The turnout is fantastic despite some tricky weather conditions. I think it really is going to be an enjoyable day, one to really behold. Thank you everyone for being with us. Thank you for the input. Let's go have a look what we have to offer.
My first time, we're very, very impressed with what we see. My tongue's hanging out. I cannot believe what I see here.
Diere lyk fantasties. Ek dink regtig waar dit gaan 'n goeie veiling wees. En ek moet sê Warrior impress nogal vandag. Hy lyk regtig waar bittergoed.
Dis 'n goeie aanbieding. Hier's paar topbulle en dan die kalvers wat by die koeie is ongelooflike standaard, baie hoog ja.
Well, the build-up's been very exciting, and I think they do a great job keeping us informed for people just to navigate the catalogue and what we're looking at as buyers and breeders. And also just here operationally, everything just running to a T, biosecurity, just everything's wonderful. It's a great experience.
So overall, I think it was an amazing day. I really do. I think that there was a lot of energy and excitement in the room and huge anticipation build up for the auction, which I think turned out into an excellent event, real event. Some of the standout animals for me today was definitely Lot 10 Warrior. I really think that bull's a fantastic bull. Regardless of pricing, I just think he's a great bull. He's a product of embryo flashing program that we did. It's a mating that I did.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is something special.
But I'm proud of him. I'm proud of the mother that was on sale. I'm proud of the half-sister that was on sale. I'm proud of the family tree that we offered today. Also proud of Amiga. Obviously, he's a standout sire.
850. Kom ons gee 'n lekker handeklap.
Dit gaan alles oor genetika op die einde van die dag, you know? En jy koop 'n bil om ons jou stoet te bevorder en jou stoet verder te vat.
I've never had the opportunity to sell a bull, a specimen of a breed like Omega.
You know, the Battle of the Sisters always brings excitement. The Picasso legacy lives on through sale after sale, generation, which was lovely. But really, from lot 1 all the way to the end, we could pinpoint all of them with their genetic appeal and their highlights, and I think all of them were great.
Gesê het, ek dink ons ras groei en dit was vandag vir my ook weer 'n eye-opener om te sien hoeveel nuwe ouens het begin koop en wat belangstel in die ras en glo in die produk wat hulle koop. Ek dink Average Farming speel 'n baie groot rol in die boeraanbedryf en ook so in die beestebedryf in Suid-Afrika. En is lekker om saam met hulle te werk want jy kan sien daar's 'n plan agter elke dier.